We are super excited to welcome you all to our new section of our course site, the collection of real essentials, Jin's 3 needles. You may be wondering why you should learn this approach when there are so many others available. The answer is simple. It offers greater clinical power without having to use as many needles. Also, not all patients respond to one style of needling, so you need to have plan B, C, or D and figure out what works best for your patients. Over the many years, we have compiled all of Dr. Jin's 3 needle combinations that deliver rapid relief for a wide range of conditions, from chronic fatigue to Parkinson's, post-stroke anxiety, auditory metabolic disorders, and more. And now let's dive in and explore Jin's 3 needles on eLotus Core. On our course site, you can find the Jin's 3 needles section under Explore More, or by scrolling down on our core homepage, where you can explore the wisdom of TCM Masters Tang, Dr. Huang, and Dr. Tan. Our traditional acupuncture points, our Gold Pass, which includes premium content in core, as well as unlimited CEUs and sponsored benefits such as discounted needles and free herbs. And as you can see, there are also additional sections below on abdominal, wrist, ankle, thigh, scalp, Jin's 3 needles that you can explore. Let's click Learn More. Now, this page is separated into 3 sections. First, you'll be able to read about the history of Dr. Jin Rui's 50+ years of clinical experience and begin browsing the prescriptions, which I will cover in more detail shortly. In the second section, we learned that he developed this method of using only 3 carefully selected points, as it holds a symbolic meaning of life energy in the Bagua system. In this last section, we have compiled the expert tips on his needling techniques for the best immediate relief for your patients. Learn why only 3 needles are used and gain a deeper understanding about the needling technique. We highly encourage you to read about the insertion, manipulation, and withdrawal to get the most out of these prescriptions. This is going to make your needling that much more powerful. I can guarantee it. Now, on to the fun part. Let's explore the prescriptions by clicking on the purple button to view all prescriptions. But before clicking, you will need to be logged into your eLotus account to access this page. If you are not logged in, you'll be directed to the login page and will need to visit our core page again to access. This page is pure gold, with all 43 prescriptions organized into filters on the left side. These filters allow you to quickly narrow down treatments, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for, so you can access them quickly if you're with a patient and need it on hand. As you can see, we have a whole range of disorders you can treat with Jin's 3 needles, from andrological and gastrointestinal to neurologic and musculoskeletal. If we click on the cardiovascular/circulatory/blood category, we can see 3 prescriptions listed, as well as our clinical manual, which is a compilation of acupuncture and herbal protocols created by the top acupuncturists and herbalists. The clinical manual is included with any course purchase and can be found on the blue course access page. Let's click on Jin's 3 cholesterol points. Here we can see the 3 points used as well as the indications. If you're unsure about where a point is located, we've conveniently linked each point to our traditional acupuncture point section. Let's click Neiguan PC6 to view the acupoint. On this page, you will see the diagram, location, indications, applications, techniques, and remarks. In the application section, you will also see that we included a balance method section so you can see which systems PC6 is paired with. Now, back to Jin's 3 cholesterol points. We also have more in-depth information for each prescription listed. To locate this, let's click on Protocol Details. Here we have compiled and listed the prescription, application, techniques, and modifications. This section is reserved for Gold Pass members, where they will have access to learn how to upgrade and tailor their treatments better for their patients. As a Gold Pass member, you will enjoy full access to all of the modifications for Jin's 3 needles prescriptions, and access to our entire course section, including exclusive Master Tongue Palm charts, expanded balance method modifications, and so much more. You can learn more about our Gold Pass on our eLotus website at www.elotus.org/gold, or by simply clicking on Continuing EDU, then clicking Annual Gold Pass. As a Gold Pass holder, you will gain access to premium core content, including Master Tongue's palm diagnosis charts, bloodletting charts, the 72 severing points, and 32 relieving points, along with each point's detailed applications, protocols, and clinical remarks. This content also includes Master Tongue's reaction areas, balance method applications, treatment modifications for specific conditions, and exclusive commentary by Dr. Chuan-Min Wang. It also includes Dr. Li Chun Huang's linear mobile detecting diagrams, complete with instructions and the ability to browse points by ear anatomy and function. In the abdominal acupuncture section, you will gain access to example treatment protocols and detailed point applications. As a Gold Pass member, you will also receive modifications for Jin's 3 needles protocols. We hope you enjoyed the tour of the Jin's 3 needles section on our eLotus core. We encourage you to take full advantage of this section and expand your skill set.